conduct the assembly.
Delna Dino led the Bible reading, followed by a prayer song, and the prayer was led by Grace Jojo. Dia Ajesh shared the word of the day, while Sneha Susan Santosh presented the thought for the day. Edwin Jimmy provided useful information, and the pledge was recited by Arun Shinoj. The news was read by Maria Joseph. Birthdays of our students were celebrated with joy. In achievements, Siddharth Srijit won first prize in Kumite and Kata at All India National Level Championship. In addition, the Deshabhimani Aksharamuttam quiz competition winners were announced. In LP section, Aravind R from class 3 secured first prize. Adrik Ramankari from class 4 secured second prize. In UP section, Saurav C. Vinoj from class 6A won first prize and Akshita Laijo from class 7 won second prize. The assembly concluded with some exercises. That's all from the newsroom. Thank you and have a nice day.